Hi all, today I'm going to show you how to replace your shower head. The old one here is broken off. That piece right there is snapped, which joins into there. So I picked this up from Bunnings. Comes with a cover plate and even some plumber's tape. It was just under $20, but the process for all other brands would be exactly the same, if not very, very similar. Let's get into it. So if your shower head was still attached, you could either leave it on there and loosen this up, or you could unscrew and then take it apart, or even from there you can unscrew that. Take it apart. I'd take it apart, it'd be easier. Less fiddly with a big shower head swinging around. So loosen this up. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And once you've cracked it, you can just do it by hand now. Take the cover plate off. So grab your plumber's tape and we're going to put it on clockwise, which is the direction we're going to thread the new shower head on. If you put it on anti-clockwise, it will just unravel. So make sure you do it clockwise. So be careful not to block the inlet if you have done that. Just do that. You can use a finger, knife, scissors or something. Put the new cover plate on. If you grab your new shower head in the bottom there, that's a water saving seal in there. So what that does is reduce the water pressure that comes out. If you wanted to increase your water pressure, you could remove that. I'm going to personally leave mine in. Last step is to thread the new shower head on. We'll do it by hand first, then we'll use a wrench. Careful not to over tighten it. Shower head's in and adjusted to the desired position. Now let's give it a test run. Beautiful. No leaks from here, here or here. If you do have some leaks from here, you might need to turn this tight. Hang on, let me turn this up. If you've got some leaks down here, you might have to turn this tighter. And if there's leaks from here or here, just tighten those up and that should fix that. But anyway, thanks for watching.